In this video, I'm going to show you just how much brighter the all-new Ultra 3 bulb is to replace those dingy-looking yellow halogen bulbs in your 17 to 19 Ford Super Duty. I'm going to show you what it looks like compared to stock, and of course, I'm going to show you how to install it. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness-destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact, with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. Your original lights are massive, and it's a reflector-based housing with two H13 bulbs in both the driver and passenger side headlight. It's important to replicate that wire-wound filament inside of that halogen bulb, and the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 does a very good job. It's gonna give you a refined beam pattern, it's gonna be super bright, and if you haven't noticed, your headlights are massive. It's also gonna transform the front end of your vehicle. So what I wanna do is just show you guys how much brighter they truly are by backing this puppy up about 10 meters away from the wall. I'm then gonna use a digital lux meter to measure the actual usable brightness at the brightest point on the wall. It's just to find a benchmark. Then I'm gonna install the Ultra 2, which you guys have grown to love in the Super Duty community, and then I'm gonna show you the Ultra 3 and just how much better it is compared to the Ultra 2. So this is what your stock halogen beams look like on your 17 to 19 Super Duty. You already know this is the worst color to drive with. This dingy looking yellow halogen color is so outdated, not just on the front of your vehicle, but when you're driving down the road. This is nothing. This is like a candle light. I measured only 182 maximum lux out of this super large reflector housing. GTR Lighting made the Ultra 2 bulb years ago, and it's this right here, and this right here was still 308% brighter. I measured 742 maximum lux. We already know that this is one of the brightest bulbs you can get on the market today, and then GTR Lighting stepped it up. As you can see, right off the bat, you're gonna have a different color light output than even the Ultra 2. And that's because they wanted to formulate a more comfortable driving situation when you're driving long distances. And I think this color helps a lot, especially with brightness. Look at this. 1,512 maximum lux. I measured 731% brighter than your stock halogen low beam. Guys, this is a set it and forget it product, and I cannot believe we've got these kind of numbers. This is way brighter than any other product that I've ever tested in this headlight housing. On high beam, your original stock halogen lights produced a pretty good beam pattern, but it was nothing like the Ultra 2. The Ultra 2 years ago, I measured 252% brighter in this test, which was 764 max lux. It was very bright, it was really refined, it's not scattering the light all over, it's a great bulb. The Ultra 3's high beam kicks butt. This is 1,646 maximum lux. That's 659% brighter than your stock high beam. This is an obvious no-brainer because it is extremely bright, it puts the light exactly where you want it, and it's gonna keep you safer when you're driving down the road. It's pretty wild to see that much light output difference by simply changing out the low beam and high beam bulbs. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that now. If you don't need help installing, go to headlightrevolution.com today and get yours. Hopefully they're not sold out. This is going to blow away the competition. I've tested this against 10 other bulbs that you guys put in the comments below, and it is 20–30% brighter than every single thing else on the market. And it's got a lifetime warranty. It's a no-brainer. Go to headlightrevolution.com today, or if you need help installing it, let's rip this truck apart. Let me show you that now. First thing you gotta do is pop the hood. And then we're gonna remove this plastic cowl on the top here. There's a bunch of push tabs. Remove all of those push tabs. And then you can pull it away. And then you need to remove 8 10mm bolts on the top holding this grill on. From there, you can reach your hands into the grill and pull it away towards you. Remove the 4 bolts holding it in. If for some reason you can't access it, it means your bumper's never been lowered before. Watch our other video to lower your bumper to gain access to this bolt so that way you can get it fully removed. Now you can pull the headlight housing away from the vehicle and locate the 2 H13 bulbs. There's 2 little tabs, turn them counterclockwise and pull it away, and you can disconnect your OEM wiring. Grab your GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb and put it in the same way you took out your old one. You are gonna have to align these properly. Make sure that the cord is facing down. Now if your headlight light output is too high or too low, just reach in here with a Phillips screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise to raise it up, or clockwise to lower it. If you really want to dial this in, we made another video that goes step by step to really dial in that aim properly. If you want your light output to project on the road properly, you do need to make it look like this inside the headlight housing. So when you install it, make sure that the cord is facing down and these ears are locked into place still. It is adjustable. This, you don't even have to use an Allen wrench or anything like that. You can simply twist it in here, like once it sits in the housing, you can twist it. You can't twist it very far, so you might have to take this whole collar off, put that in, and then insert this into the backside of the headlight housing. That's all it takes to get that off. It's not that hard at all. You put this inside of your headlight housing, grab your bulb, line up the keyway, there you go. Twist it so it's upright like this. You want the LEDs shooting out just like that, and you're good to go. You're gonna have a great light output for low beam and high beam. As you can see, the front end of this truck is now beaming. It is so bright. I don't know if you do construction or work late at nighttime, but this is gonna help you see exactly what's going on. The headlights, low beam, high beam, are completely transformed now, and your fog lights, in another video you can check out, I also upgraded those. It just looks so much better to completely redo the entire front end of your vehicle to have a bright white color. This looks so good, but we've also tested tons of stuff for the 17 and 19 Ford Super Duty, like taillights or a complete headlight replacement. Check out headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model so you get the right products that fit your vehicle.